Okay, hello guys. Welcome back to. Thank you for 40 subs 2.0. I'm probably gonna change that name. I seem a lot more calmer recently because I'm getting older. It's actually the month of my birthday. It's in only 11 days. 11 days. So yeah. I have no idea how to fix this. I don't know how to undo this. Woo, what the heck? Also, that's infinitely doing. But anyways, we're making a 3D laptop. YouTube, look, look, look. No, copyright here. Look, no sound. Oh, I should turn this off. I don't want to get copyrighted again. I don't want to get copyrighted again. Like that. Thank you for 40 subs. No. 2.0. Last time we tried to do this, I got the failed one. I think I got copyright strike because of the sound that I played. If you saw that video. But anyways, let's just start the tutorial. Okay, I don't have any cuts because I don't know how to cut. Oh shoot, I forget 3D. So name it 3D laptop. Then delete cat. Make a 3 sprites, actually 2 sprites. If you want to add thumbnail, you can. But I'm not. Okay, so in sprite, call the first sprite blank. That's correct. And then this one, oh, this one, 3D, as you can see. And then in 3D, switch it to bitmap, zoom in to the middle where you can see the middle. Okay? Do this tool, and then do this, go to black, and then change the size to 1. Change the size to 1. And make a little square. So it's like this. So it's like this. Okay? And then I wonder where it is. It's very hard to find it, but it's here. So yeah. And then go to the code tab. I'm sorry I was quiet for that. I was just I was for a second. Okay, go to 3D. Also, I'm not turning this on. YouTube, I'm not turning this on. Look, I'm not turning it on. Alright? And then, if you're on Turbo Warp, I definitely recommend when you're going into code, if you're not just following me. Because I'm the one who's teaching you how to do this. But anyways, first you want to make a, wait, what? Wait, a block? Wait, what? You have to make a block? Wait, what? Okay, but first, we're going to do this render brightness because, of course, we have to do a lot of this and other stuff. It sucks. I don't like this. I don't like making variables or list. It's just not fun. It's not fun, but you still have to do it. Otherwise, it won't work. Of course. So you. But I almost forgot. But just add go into extensions. If you're new to this, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and like. But if you're new to Scratch and you're watching this tutorial, click this little button here, and then go to a pen and then click. Then it will bring up this. People who made Crystal Seeker, like 3D games, of course. Crystal Seeker is literally very, very good. It's like the best 3D games right now, I think. But also I think there's gonna be a CS:GO type game soon because there's some test shooting things. So yeah, I saw that online or on Scratch. Okay, so go to blocks, and then and do this. Render, no, bro. I don't know how to spell. And then brightness. Okay, I don't know how to spell. Oh, brightness. Okay, so yeah. Run without screen refresh, okay? And then click OK. And then zoom in so you can see me better. Okay, go to list, make a new list called colors. Oh shoot. Oh. Colors for all sprites. This is buttons you can choose. And also, wait, what happened? Also for cloud variables where you can do multiplayer stuff, there's supposed to be a thing right here, but it's not showing for me, even though I've been on this account for like months, or probably a year, probably. I actually started, if you guys know the Five Nights at Freddy's, I definitely highly watch it. It's only on like Prime now, so yeah. But anyways, I found about Scratch like when I was about to go see the Five Nights at Freddy's movie. It's kind of funny. It's so funny, dude. It's so funny. Okay. All variables and lists are for all sprites. So yeah. So, like, okay. So you have to make these two variables, count and mode. So yeah. Delete this variable. You don't need it. It's okay. Just delete it. You have like to like do this, like to do this. You have to right click, and okay, count. Pause it. Okay, pause the video if you need to. Okay, you can. Oh wait. Oh yeah. Okay, and then make a new one called M mode. So pause the video. Okay. We made those two variables. Show this mode variable as a slider. So left click on there, and this is it. Pause the video. You have to change click back. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Change it as a slider by just double clicking or doing this. Okay, so change it to 1 and then 3. So it's like this. So it's like that. And then put it here or wherever you want. But you have to do it where you can still see the computer or laptop. I'm actually using a laptop to make this game. Of course. Also, I like very cool parts about this. I think this is episode 1. I'm gonna use this as episode 1. Next episode, we're gonna do we're just gonna make all the variables and the lists, and then all the blocks. So and then the third episode, we're gonna code all of them. Yeah, that's actually gonna be, so this is just gonna be like the setup so we can have the render brightness and the green flags. There's only that much, only how much green flags? 5! So we have to do 5 green flags in this today. So yeah, let's go. Let's do this. We'll change brightness. So go to pen. Okay, change pen brightness. You can. I forgot to attach these. Okay, count space pause 4. No, the reason why I'm doing it, how I'm doing this, It's because I actually have Scratch add-on, so yeah, it's very cool. You can just download them online. It's completely free, no payments, and also if you're very new to Scratch and you're not logged in, it doesn't cost a dime or anything, nothing. You can just log in with your email, create your username, password, and then it says to share projects and have a backpack. You have to I think verify it, and then after a week or a month, you get to have wait, what's it called? Cloud variables. Cloud variables. And then do this. Okay. What's that? Nope. That. Okay. And then do in the plus one, go negative 10. And then in the divide, this is divide, do 5 by the x position. So motion, go to motion, and then do the x position, and then you want actually no, you have to do ABS or add or something. Oh, ABS. Also, I think my brother's probably gonna watch this. I bet he's probably gonna watch this for his test, but no one don't. If you're a part of his class, don't tell him. Don't tell the teacher. You probably don't know him at all. Probably no one knows him at all. He's just my brother, and also look, you can do this. Also look, it sucks. Also look, you have to do this. You have to, bro. Yeah, this happens. This happens when you do it. That's why I always prefer Scratch Chipboard because it sucks. It sucks, dude. It just kind of sucks. That happens. It actually sucks, but ignore it, please. It's okay. But it takes so much. It's so annoying. How long have we been recording? Probably not that long. Oh, it's 15, 14 minutes. How did I guess that almost right? How did I guess that? Oh, that was so close. Oh, okay. When? So 10 transparently duplicated to that, and then that, then 20 in the first one, and 95 in the second one. So 95. Nope. 95. Yep, 95. Okay. So I think we're I'm actually kind of feeling tired. I don't know why. Ugh. I'm not into Scratch not more anymore. Good Patch Bear has uploaded. So I go to YouTube. Okay. This Patch. Look. Bro, look. Just look. He barely posts now because most of the videos now are literally just his the Good Patch Academy, but on his Scratch account it says Tetris. A tutorial thing for Tetris. Huh? is that a leak? So yeah. But anyways, save this, okay? And then, oh, I almost forgot. Before this episode ends, put this. So then, oh, episode dot 1. So it's like this. So yeah. So save. Did you save? Yep. Okay. Well, anyways, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and like, please. And my goal is actually getting 100k subscribers because that'll actually make my day. So please, we have to get there. We actually have to get there. Or 10k, or 1,000, or 100. Anything, please. I really hope this like happens. It's my dream to get a play button, like 100k play button. I don't care if it's just 100k. I just want. It's just my dream. So please, if you can make that happen, and I will literally probably like do an ice bucket challenge, or yeah, I will do an ice bucket challenge. I will do that. I will. Like, I promise you, I will. So, bye!